Shane Warne short biography. Shane Warne, full name Shane Keith Warne, was born on the 13th of September 1969 in Victoria, Australia. His father Keith Warne and mother Bridget Warne has two children, Shane Warne and his brother Jason Warne. Warne has three children with his former wife Simone Callahan. The couple were married between 1995 and 2005. He was Australian cricketer who was one of the most effective bowlers in history. He had played just 7 matches in the Sheffield Shield domestic club competition before being selected for Australia. Immensely popular in England, Australia, India, and many other British Commonwealth countries. In 1998, Warne faced controversy that he and fellow Australian cricketer Mark Waugh had taken bribes from an Indian bookmaker 4 years earlier. In 2007, Warne retired from Test cricket but continued to compete on the club level until 2011. Shane Warne career. Australian cricketer Shane Warne made his one-day debut nearly a year after his Test debut. He made his debut against New Zealand in 1993. He picked up 2 wickets and gave away 40 runs in his quota of 10 overs. In only his third one-day international, he picked up 4 wickets, giving away just 25 runs against New Zealand. It took Warne only 69 matches to reach the 100-wicket mark in one-day cricket. In 1992, Shane Warne made his Test debut against India. Only in his 5th Test match, Warne has picked up 7 wickets against West Indies for just 52 runs. In his first Ashes, he picked up 34 wickets for his team and also won 5-wicket haul. The off-spin against Mike Gatting was tagged as the ball of the century. In 1993, Shane Warne took 73 wickets, which was a record for a spinner at that time. In 1993, he picked up 10 wickets in a Test match for the first time in his career. In 1994 95, Warne took his first hat-trick in the Test. Shane Warne reached to 300 Test wickets in just 63 matches. In 2005, Shane Warne becomes the first bowler to reach 600 wickets in Test format. In the 2006-07 series, he has reached the 700 wickets haul. His international career totals included an unprecedented 700 Test wickets. His record was broken by Muralitharan in 2007. Warne's management released a brief statement that he passed away in Koh Samui, Thailand, of a suspected heart attack. Australian legend and the greatest leg spinner of all time, Shane Warne has passed away at the age of 52.